Welcome to this tutorial on how to use GoHighLevel for coaches and consultants. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. In this video, we will build a simple coaching funnel that guides prospects into booking an appointment, and we will add reminders so they show up prepared. This setup is perfect for life coaches, business consultants, fitness trainers, or anyone who meets clients one-on-one. We will begin by setting up a funnel. Inside your GoHighLevel dashboard, go to Funnels and click New Funnel. Name it something like Coaching Discovery Funnel. Add a landing page with a headline that speaks directly to your audience. For example, book your free discovery call to gain clarity and direction. Keep the design clean and include a short description of what they will get from the session. Next, add a button that connects directly to your booking calendar. To do this, link the button to your GoHighLevel calendar URL. This way, when a visitor clicks, they are taken straight to your booking page. This funnel makes the process simple. A person lands on your page, reads about your service, and books an appointment without distraction. Now let us configure the calendar. Go to Calendars in the left menu and create a new calendar. Name it Coaching Sessions or Discovery Calls. Set your availability to the times you want to accept appointments, for example, Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Choose the meeting duration that fits your calls, such as 45 or 60 minutes. Once saved, you have a booking link that your funnel page can use. Now go back to your funnel landing page. Click on the button you created, then look at the settings panel on the right side. Under Button Action, choose URL. Paste your booking link into the field. This makes sure that when a visitor clicks the button, they are taken straight to your calendar to select a time. You can test this by clicking Preview at the top of your funnel editor. When you click the button, it should open your booking calendar where people can choose a date and time. This simple connection turns your landing page into a working coaching funnel. The next step is reminders. Go to Automations and create a workflow called Coaching Call Follow-up. Use the trigger appointment status and select appointment is booked. Add an action to send a confirmation email. This email can thank them for booking, confirm the date and time, and provide the meeting link if you use Zoom or Google Meet. Add a second action to send a confirmation SMS, which keeps it short and direct. To make sure clients remember, add reminder steps. You can wait 24 hours before the session and send a reminder email, then wait 1 hour before and send a reminder text. For example, this is a reminder of your coaching call with your name at time. Please be ready a few minutes early. These reminders reduce no-shows and show professionalism. Once the funnel and automation are set, test the entire flow. Go to your landing page, click the button, book a session, and check that you receive both the confirmation and reminders. Make sure your client details also appear in your pipeline under Opportunities. You can create stages like New Lead, Booked Call, and Client Signed so you know exactly where each person is in your process. Now your coaching funnel is live. Visitors land on your page, read your offer, book a call through your calendar, and receive automated reminders leading up to the session. This keeps your business running smoothly and lets you focus on delivering value to your clients. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.